Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guiding you through a common issue many of you faces recovering and deleting Airtel eSIM. Whether you are accidentally deleted it or need to restore it for any reasons, this video will walk you through the easiest step to get your eSIM back up and running. If you have deleted your Airtel eSIM, you might be wondering how to recover it, especially if you are abroad or don't have access to physical SIM. Don't worry, the process is straightforward. The first step is to contact the Airtel customer care services. You can reach them via phone or email. Explain your situation and they will provide you with a QR code or the necessary details to restore your eSIM. If you are in India, visiting the Airtel store in another options, making sure to bring your the identification proof to you verify your ownership of the eSIM. This will assist you to recovering your eSIM. Once you have the QR code and the details for the Airtel, go to your phone settings, select the mobile services and add your eSIM as you did initially. Ensure your devices is compatible and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. Recovering and delete the Airtel SIM is quite simple. If you have any question and need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.